2024年嘅第8題，咁我哋睇一睇題目先。A part 係 valuation of inventory，B part 係 correction of error，C part 咧就係連住 B part 就係叫你計個新嘅 working capital 嘅。咁我哋睇下佢俾咗啲咩資料我哋啦。咁第一句佢就話啦 ，Maple Limited prepared the closing entries。咁呢一句十分之重要啊！如果對我哋做 correction of error 嚟講，咁我哋下邊咧俾咗嘅 trial balance 咧係2023年嘅12月31號，咁係 year end 嚟嘅。咁我哋劈頭 trial balance 就已經見到個 retained profit 2023年12月31號喎。咁即係咧佢已經計咗 retained profit 㗎啦。佢 close 咗，即係做咗 closing entries，不特止啊，佢仲做埋 retained profit 添。咁即係咩意思咧？咁即係如果佢淨係話 prepare the closing entry 嘅話咧，咁無論係 sole proprietorship 啊、partnership 定係 income 咧，都係㗎啦，就係 income 同埋 expense 咧都 close 咗去 profit and loss 咁解嘅。係啦，咁但係咧，你喺 trial balance 嗰度咧，見到佢已經計咗個 year end 嘅 retained profit 嘅意思咧，就即係佢profit and loss 就 close 咗去 appropriation， 亦都 close 埋去 retained profit 咁解啦。咁啊咩叫 appropriation 咧 ？appropriation 如果 income 嘅話咧，得兩個 item 嘅啫，即係 increase 或者係 decrease in general reserve， 同埋 dividend。declare 咗嘅 dividend， 咁所以啦，如果下邊咧有任何嘅 item 係牽涉到呢兩樣嘢嘅話咧，都係入 retained profit， 同埋如果牽涉到任何 income 同埋 expense profit and loss item 嘅話咧，都係入 retained profit 嘅。如果你唔入 retained profit 嘅話咧，你寫咗嗰個 income 啊或者 expense 嘅名嘅話咧，咁就冇分㗎啦。好，跟住繼續睇埋落去啦，睇下 trial balance 有冇啲咩特別啦。咁啊 ordinary share capital 啊、general reserve 啊嗰啲就冇乜特別㗎啦。咁啊 inventory 呢度係我哋陣間睇下 note 2啦，跟住 allowance of doubtful account 都有注意下 note 5啦。跟住啦，你見到有個 suspense 嘅，咁即係咧我哋有啲 error 咧係令到個 trial balance 係唔巴嘅。咁我哋睇落去咧就知道㗎啦。咁啊 note 1同埋 note 2咧都係要嚟計 A part 嘅。咁我哋睇一睇。咁啊 all sales were made on a gross profit margin 係啦 ，gross profit margin 嘅意思咧，嗰條式咧即係 gross profit 除 net sales 等於60%。咁我打橫咁樣寫啦，咁即係 sales net sales 咁解啊。sales 係100嘅時候咧，呢個係分母啦，跟住分子咧就係60，gross profit 係60。咁啊，我哋順勢咧可以計埋個 cost 嘅，咁樣就有個3個數字嘅比例㗎啦。咁啊 sales 係100，咁樣 cost 係40，gross profit 就係60啦，減一減佢嘅啫。咁啊，我哋好快咧，咁樣就可以咧睇到 sales 同埋 cost 咧係100比40嘅，咁啊好有用啦，做下邊嗰啲嘢。好啦，我哋睇下 note 2先。我哋喺 year end 嘅時候咧就冇點到貨喎，係啦。咁我 inventory taking 咧咁就係喺下年嘅1月4號delay 咗幾日嘅，咁所以咧中間嗰幾日咧有啲 adjustment 要做啦。咁有啲咩嘅 adjustment 咧？咁啊，我哋都可以好快咁樣講一講加定減啊，係啦。咁呢啲咧都好常考㗎啦，都一定要識㗎啦。咁你順住條 timeline 去嘅話咧，咁啊即係我哋 year end 去1月4號24年。我哋如果順住條 timeline 去嘅話咧，我哋有 purchase 嘅話咧，我哋就會加係啦，因為我哋買多咗貨嘛，我哋 inventory 咪會加咯。跟住啦，如果我哋有 return out 嘅話，就會減咗啲貨啦，細咗啦啲貨 inventory 嘅數量。跟住啦，如果我哋賣咗嘢嘅話咧，咁啊當然係減啦。賣咗嘢少咗嘢啦，咁但係咧你要轉翻做 cost 啊，記得，因為 sales 嘅話係 cost price 嚟嘅，咁啊 return in 咁啊多咗貨喺我哋公司啦，咁啊記得要轉翻做 cost 啦。咁但係啦，我哋依家係 given 2024年1月4號嗰個數字啊，咁所以咧我哋係做翻轉頭嘅，做翻轉頭嘅話咧好簡單嘅啫，將上面呢啲加變減，減變加就得㗎啦。係啦，咁所以咧個 statement 咧就係咁樣咁簡單嘅啫，係啦，因為我哋依家咁樣 reverse 翻過去。好，咁我哋望一望佢俾咗啲乜嘢嘅資料我哋啦。咁仲未睇完嘅 based on 嗰度嚇 based on the physical inventory count。咁呢一個數就係1月4號係1月4號嗰個數啦。咁就你一定要將佢擺喺 statement 嘅頭嘅，你唔可以巴翻上去嘅。係啦，咁你就擺喺上邊。咁個名就係 inventory value as at 呢個2024年1月4號咁樣啦。跟住 the accounts clerk recorded the amounts as the inventory value as at 31 December 2023。咁即係咧佢 record 咗一個錯嘅數目字啊，係啦，因為我哋12月31號2023年嘅 inventory 咧唔應該係1月4號嗰個唔等於噶嘛，咁所以我哋先會有 A part 噶嘛，咁所以咧呢一句都好重要，因為你要 adjust 呢一個 inventory value 嘅。OK， 係啦，咁所以啦，啱啱上邊咧 trial balance given 呢一個 inventory 咧，佢係入咗一個錯嘅數字，你需要 adjust 佢，得唔得 adjust 佢？咁啊點樣去 adjust 咧？咁我哋首先我哋要做咗 A part 揾咗個啱嘅 inventory value 先嘅，係啦，咁就係揾翻呢啲有冇 purchase 啊、return out 啊、return in 啊、sales 嗰啲加加減減啦。咁啊下邊有啦。咁啊 purchase、sales、return out， 咁即係咧，我哋對翻呢一個先啦，啱啱諗到嘅嘢啦。咁就係 purchase 嘅話咧，我哋就係減啊嘛，啱啱講過啦。咁啊減啦，跟住 sales 嘅話咧就係加啦，跟住 return out 咧就係加嘅。好啦，咁啊佢冇 return in 啦，咁啊要注意咧就係 sales 咧要轉翻做 selling price， sales 咧佢本身係 selling price， 你要將佢轉翻做 cost price 嘅。咁但係咧唔好衝動住，你繼續睇落去啊，發現個 sales 咧唔係咁簡單嘅，咁就係喺1月2號，即係 during the 呢個 period 哦。係啦，即係上邊呢一個數啊，因為上邊咧呢3個數咧都係1月1號至到1月4號嘅data 嚟㗎嘛，咁所以1月2號咪喺中間咯，咁所以呢4萬蚊咧就其中嘅呢1萬蚊咧就係 sell 去 staff 嘅，咁有啲咩嘅意思啊？咁就因為咧我哋要計個 cost 啊，因為啱啱講過啦 sales 我哋要轉做 cost， 咁咧有一啲嘅 sales， 呢1萬蚊嘅 sales 咧，佢就唔係普通 mark up 嘅。我哋普通 mark up 咧就可以用呢個100:40去計個 cost 啦。咁但係咧有1萬蚊嘅貨係唔可以嘅喎。咁即係點樣咧？咁我可以咧簡單咁樣畫個表喺度啊。咁呢個係 selling price 啊，即係上邊呢一個4萬蚊啦。咁我哋拆做2嚿，一個係正常啦，跟住一個咧就係 staff 嘅。你中意點樣寫就得㗎啦。咁呢一行都係 selling price， 咁即係咧 staff 嘅咧就係1萬蚊啦。呢個 selling price 嚟㗎嘛。跟住咁即係有3萬蚊係正常 sales 嚟嘅。咁正常 sales 咧，我哋要轉翻做 cost。咁我哋用正常我哋 note 1嗰個嘅 ratio 去到計得㗎啦。係啦，咁啊 selling price 係3萬嘅時候，咁我哋就除100乘40，即係除100乘40。就會揾到個 cost 㗎啦，比例嚟嘅啫，係啦。咁你揾翻呢個 cost，咁所以你就會揾到其中係正常嗰部分嘅 cost 係12,000蚊啦。然之後啦 staff 嗰度咧，咁 staff 嗰度咧佢就話啦有 discount 嘅喎，咁我哋首先咧要揾翻個 normal selling price 先，係啦，咁佢半價咗，係啦50%，即係半價咗咧。半價咗之後係1萬蚊，咁所以即係咧佢原價係啦 normal selling price 咧係2萬蚊。咁我哋用呢個 mark up 咧係用翻 normal selling price 去計嘅，咁所以啦用 normal selling price， 跟住都係乘40除100，咁你就會揾到呢一批貨嘅 cost 啦。OK， 好，咁所以咧。咁呢個 sales 嚟㗎嘛，係啦 ，sales 就加啦，呢度有個加字嘅，你都知道啦。咁所以咧呢兩個係加，好啦，咁所以我哋咧有幾多個 item 咧？依家有減13200啦，跟住加900，跟住加12000，加8000。好，跟住啦，繼續睇落去嚇。Goods costing 1500蚊 ，resent to a customer， 即係類似係 sell or return 喎，係啦。咁我哋喺1月3號嘅時候，咁樣我哋就寄咗出去啦。咁啊，所以啦，我哋幾時點貨話？我哋4號點貨。咁你要知道第一個資訊咧，就係我哋4號點貨嘅時候咧，係點唔到㗎。呢個好重要啊！呢個資訊點唔到，我寫低先。即係咧，佢冇包咗喺嗰個呢一個 value 227500係冇包到呢一批貨嘅。好，跟住啦，好，跟住繼續睇落去。The customer confirmed that he would accept 2/3 of the goods on 1月9號。咁即係咧喺1月9號嘅時候咧，我唔理佢係 2/3 又好幾多 percent 都好咧，總之係1月9號先至係 sales 嘅。咁咧 before 1月9號咧係唔入 sales。OK， 好啦，咁我哋依家係計緊12月31號咁樣，12月31號咁計唔計 sales 啊？佢未賣喎，即係啦，未賣 OK， 我寫低先啊。未賣咁即係應該要 include 落去我哋嘅 inventory 㗎噃。OK， 好啦，咁所以咧，逢親係 sell or return 咧，你要諗兩樣嘢，就係我哋點唔點到，同埋 唔 include。如果係應該 include 喺 inventory， 但係又點唔到嘅話咧，我哋就要加翻啦。咁啊，係咪要乘翻 2/3啊？唔係，因為咧 include 落 inventory 嗰個咧喺12月31號成嚿都未賣，係講緊成嚿都未賣。咁所以咧應該成嚿都要加翻落去 inventory 嗰度嘅。咁啊，好好啦，佢個 cost 俾咗你啦 ，inventory 一定係入 cost 噶啦，咁所以係加1500嘅。好，又多一個啦，加。咁所以啦，我哋 so far 咧就會有一個減，跟住加，即係有4個加1個減啦。好，咁即係呢度1、2、3、4，跟住一個減咁樣啦。咁記得呢啲嘅 statement 咧嘅 description 要寫得好啲。點樣為之好啲咧？要夠詳細、夠清晰，唔好淨係寫個 account 名。如果你就咁寫 sales 係唔接受嘅。如果你就咁寫 purchases， 點知你講緊啲咩咧？所以一定要寫翻個日期啦，係啦 time period 啦，跟住詳細啲咁樣講啦，即係 send to a customer 咁樣，你就唔好就咁寫 good sense 咁樣，都唔知你講緊啲乜嘢。OK，description 要寫得夠清楚。好，咁呢一個咧就係 A part valuation of inventory。好，咁 B part 啦 ，B part 咧就係 correction of error 啦。咁啊，記得唔好 ignore 咗 Notes 2啊 ，Notes 2都要做嘅。就係我哋啱啱一開頭講啦，我哋需要 adjust 個 inventory value 嘅，因為個 accountant 咧咁啊無啦啦入咗一個錯㗎啦，227500啦，咁我哋改翻佢係啦，我哋啱啱計咗啦 ，A part 計咗，我哋應該入幾多啊？應該入236,700嘅。咁所以啦，我哋要將個 inventory value 由呢個227500改翻做幾多啊？236700，好，咁即係咧，我哋需要加個 inventory 9200啦。好，咁我哋咧平時做即係 valuation of inventory 嗰一課啦，咁啊學過個 double entry 就係我哋做咗呢個 inventory count 之後咧，我哋入咗個 inventory value 之後，如果有 adjustment 嘅話咧，咁啊依家係加嘅話咧，咁就要 debit 就係 current asset inventory。呢個意思咧，即係 current asset 嗰個意思啊。咁我哋平時咧就會 credit 一係 cost of goods sold 啦，係啦，一係咧就係 profit and loss 啦。咁呢個咧就係代表緊income statement 嗰個 closing inventory 嗰個數 ，OK 係啦。咁但係啦，依家我哋啱啱講過啦，我哋做咗㗎啦，我哋 P&L 咧都冇咗㗎啦，我哋只有 retain profit。咁所以咧呢啲冇唔啱，我哋一定要入 retain profit。我哋加9200，呢個就係第一個 adjustment 啦。好，然之後第3個 note 啦。咁就我哋一齊睇下啦，咁就係喺2023年12月5號 a credit customer， 咁即係一個 TR 啦。return goods， TR 還翻俾貨俾我哋，咁即係 return in 啦。咁啊 list price of 一個17,000，咁我哋賣貨係啦，我哋賣貨嘅話，個 list price 即係我哋嘅 selling price 係17,000。Account clerk only recorded the transaction in the return in 啦，呢個十分之簡單下。咁就係咧，如果係 correction of error 嘅話咧，我有3個步驟去做嘅。第一個步驟就係咧，佢入咗啲乜嘢，淨係入咗落 return in 嗰度啦。咁 return in 本身係 debit 嘅，debit return in 呢個 credit 咧冇嘢咁樣啦。佢呢個係錯嘅，佢哋入咗咁樣啦，17000。咁但係應該要做啲咩啊？就係普通 return inverse 嘅 double entry 啦。咁就係 debit 個 return inverse 啦，跟住 credit TR 減翻個 TR。17000，好啦，咁啊，第一個 step， 第二個 step of correction of error， 跟住第3個 step 咧就係 reverse 個交叉，跟住入個 tag 咁樣啦，係啦，咁 reverse 個交叉，咁即係我哋 credit 個 RI 17,000，咁啊，跟住入個 tag，咁啊 debit RI 17,000，咁算呢個咧係入啱嘅，咁就查咗佢，咁所以咧我哋只需要係啦 adjustment 嗰度咧，我哋只需要 credit TR 17000。咁兩邊唔包，我哋 debit suspense， 因為佢呢一個咧，佢 single entry 會令到我哋 trial balance 唔包嘅，咁所以咧會有個 suspense 喺度。咁即係咧上邊呢個 suspense 啱啱好17,000啦，冇咗啦。OK， 我哋 debit 咗佢嘅話，咁呢一個咧就係 note 3嘅答案啦。好，跟住啦 note 4 Good costing 6500 refund damage， 通常咧我哋見到呢啲 damage 啊都係 lower of cost and net realisable value 咁樣噶嘛，咁但係咧呢個唔係喎，係啦，咁我點解咁講咧？咁就係都繼續睇落去啊 The damage group was scrapped 抌咗咯喎，咁啊12月15號嘅時候，跟住啦，有 insurance claim 喎，12月31號嘅時候，係啦，有 insurance claim 咧，咁你就知道係 abnormal loss 嚟㗎啦，咁即係可能咧呢個 damage 係 by fire 啊，或者係點樣啦，總之係一啲 accident 嘅一啲infantry loss 嚟嘅 ，OK， 好，咁啊會 compensate 80% of the cost of the damaged goods， 咁個 cost 咧佢就俾咗你啦，轉都唔使轉添啊，你直接咧計啦，6500乘80%，即係個 compensation 咧係5200蚊嘅。好，跟住啦，佢淨係話咧冇入過 insurance compensation， 咁我哋咪入翻個 insurance compensation 啦，咁樣，咁就係我哋未收到嘅錢，咁就係記得呢個一定係 insurance compensation receivable， 千祈唔好寫 insurance receivable， 你可以寫 insurance claim receivable 嘅。同埋唔好串錯字啊！如果你寫到我咁醜樣嘅話咧，即係 insurance 咁樣你攬埋一嚿咧係唔得㗎，串字好重要。OK， 好啦，咁 credit 我哋唔會 credit inventory loss 啊，我哋會 credit retained profit 5200。好，咁呢個咧就係 Note 4。好，跟住 Note 5。AFDA 嘅問題啦，咁好可以又係啦，用翻 correction of error 嗰3個步驟去做啦。咁第一句上面嗰句咧就係佢做咗嘅嘢啦，跟住下邊嗰句 however 咧就係應該做嘅嘢啦，係啦。咁我哋做咗錯嗰個先啦。The company provided 4% allowance for accounts on the amount of trade receivable。咁即係咧AFDA 嘅 carry down 咯喎。係啦，咁我哋回想翻 AFDA 嗰一課先啦，我喺入邊寫啦。咁AFDA 嘅 carry down 咧會有啲咩影響咧？double entry 嚟講咧，我哋正常嚟做嘅話咧，AFDA carry down 我哋做完之後咧就會入落去 AFDA 嗰個 carry 嗰個 T account 嗰度嘅。咁呢度會有個 carry down 啦，佢 contract asset 咁，所以個 carry down 會喺 debit side 啦。咁呢度會有個數啦。好啦，我當冇其他啦。咁呢度 suppose 可能有啲 bad debt written off 嘅數啦，呢度有啲brought down 啊 bad debt recovery， 我當冇啦。咁咧最後我哋會巴個 bad debt expense 喺度嘅。OK， 好啦，咁所以啦，如果我哋 AFDA carry down 呢個數要改嘅話咧 ，bad debt expense 呢個數都要改嘅。好，咁呢一題咧就係講緊 AFDA carry down 嘅數。好，我哋做錯咗嘅咧就係 TR 乘4%。咁佢本身個 TR 咧，你喺 trial balance 嗰度揾到㗎啦。呢個就係24萬乘以4%，咁你咧就會計到9600。咁呢個咧其實你都唔使計嘅，因為佢 trial balance 會有嘅。咁但係你即係多個信心嘅啫，係啦，係啦，啱啦，9600咁樣。好，跟住啦。咁我應該係幾多咧？應該係3% of TR。咁但係你要注意嘅咧，你記唔記得我哋啱啱咧有個 TR adjustment 㗎？係啦，咁我哋咧就算係啦，我哋知道係啦，我哋要減17,000啦，同埋咧我哋都要 ensure 後邊咧係冇 TR 嘅 adjustment。咁冇啦 general reserve debenture 呢啲係啦，正常應該都冇啦。咁我可以咧寫咗喺度。咁如果你發現咧做下發現下邊咧有啲 note 係要改 TR， 你記得要上翻嚟改啊。有時咧有啲位好伏嘅。好，咁本身個 TR 係24萬啦，你做翻 adjustment 17,000。係啦，呢個係 note 3嘅 adjustment 嚟嘅。咁你就會計到正確嘅 AFDA carry down 應該係6690。OK， 好啦，咁即係咧個 AFDA 咧係需要減喎，係啦，係需要減2910。好，咁我減個 AFDA carry down 咧，咁諗下個 double entry 係咩啦？咁我哋 contract asset 嚟嘅 AFDA，contract asset 係credit balance。如果我哋要減個 credit balance 咧，咁就 debit 佢啦。咁所以 debit AFDA。咁 credit 啲乜嘢咧？咁就係我啱啱所講啦。我哋 AFDA 嘅 carry down 如果要細咗嘅話咧，我哋 bad debt 巴出嚟個數都會細咗嘅。咁所以我哋都要改埋 bad debt expense。 咁但係啦 ，bad debt 係一個 income statement 嘅 item 嚟嘅，咁所以唔可以咁樣入我哋 retain profit 2910，呢個就係個答案啦。好，跟住繼續啦 ，disposal，trade in 喎，trade in 算係 disposal 裏邊咧，算係難㗎啦。咁呢題咧都有少少嘅技巧嘅，係啦，因為佢包又有 fully depreciation，又有 trade in 咁樣。咁啊，但係唔需要驚嘅，我哋都係做翻 disposal 嗰4個 step 嘅啫。好，我哋睇一睇先。2023年4月1號係啦，咁呢一個咧，我哋就做 disposal 嗰一日啦，咁就係 trade in。咗呢個 trade-in value 係5000啦，咁本身抌嗰個嘅 office 嗰個嘅 equipment 嘅 cost 係3萬蚊 ，OK， 我 fully depreciated in 2022，咁即係上年已經 fully depreciated 啦，咁所以咧今年嘅 AD 咧應該都係3萬嘅。OK， 好，咁所以咧你都唔使知道佢邊一日買㗎啦，係啦，因為你唔使計個 AD 嘅，仲好添，係啦 ，AD 直接3萬。好咁啊，因為平時咧我哋做嗰啲 disposal 都要計下，睇下今年嘅 depre 啊 step 0，跟住計下我哋 so far 做過幾多嘅 AD 要 cancel 佢啊咁樣。咁呢一題有好有唔好啦，咁啊夾埋 fully de， 有啲人可能唔知咩叫 fully depreciated 嘅話咧，咁就做唔到呢一題啦。咁但係咧，咁啊如果你知道嘅話咧，咁應該仲簡單啲添啊，因為冇咗 step 0啊，同埋你 AD 咧唔使計翻出嚟。好，跟住啦。But the company still provided a full year， 即係1年嘅 depre for equipment 2023，咁即係佢做錯咗啦，好明顯，因為佢 fully de 咗啦。咩叫 fully depreciated 啊？咁即係佢嘅 net book value 已經係0咗啦，喺2022年嘅時候。咁2023年咧應該係0蚊 depre 嘅，係啦 fully de 嘅話。咁所以咧佢做咗 full year 喎，咁即係我哋 cancel 翻嗰個 depre 啦。咁 cancel depre 咧，咁就係本身 depre 就係 debit depre credit AD 啊，咁我哋調轉我 double entry credit AD， 跟住 credit depre， 咁啊 depre 咧，係啦，咁啊記得睇翻啲 account 名啊，equipment 淨係 equipment 啫，咁就唔使加個 office 喺度啦。好，咁記得咧啲 account 名要啱啦，咁呢個係 accumulated depreciation， 跟住後邊咧 hyphen equipment 啦，咁上面 trial balance 都係呢一個名㗎啦，咁你記得抄翻啦。如果 depreciation 都要嘅，後邊加翻個 equipment 呢個字嘅。好，咁啊睇下佢1年嘅 depre 係幾多啊？咁你就 cancel 翻佢得㗎啦。咁啊，但係咧要注意啦，因為都係啦 depreciation 咧係一個 income statement 嘅 item，咁所以咧你要改翻做 RP retain profit。好，1年嘅 depre 係幾多咧？咁就係睇下佢用咩嚟做。咁下邊又寫啦，即係20% straight line 係啦，就咁 cost 乘以20% 嘅啫。咁啊十分之簡單啦。咁因為 cost 係3萬蚊啦，咁所以就係3萬乘以0.2，你 cancel 咗佢，做咗嗰個 double entry 就得㗎啦。好啦，咁我哋咧仲未開始做嗰4個 step 嘅喎，我哋繼續睇落去先。係啦 ，the company also paid 45000蚊，係啦，因為你 trade in 啊嘛 ，trade in 咧只不過係將你新嗰個 equipment 嘅 cost 咧係有部分咧係續用 trade in value 啦，咁跟住其餘嗰部分咧都要俾㗎嘛。For the new equipment by check， 一定係 bank 啦，咁所以咁啊你睇清楚係 cash at bank 定係 bank 啦，咁佢 trial balance 嗰度係寫個 bank 嘅，咁一定要 bank 㗎啦。咁記得啦，我哋所有嘅 account 名咧一定要對翻去 given 嗰啲 account 名嘅。同埋唔好算錯字啦。好，跟住啦。However, no entries were made for the above trade-in arrangement。咁啊太好啦，咁啊即係咧算全部嘢都冇做嘅。咁我咧就做晒佢先。咁啊逐步嚟啦。你見到 marking 嗰度咧一嚿咁樣咧，你可能好驚嘅。咁就唔使驚嘅，我哋都係做翻 step 1至到 step 4嘅啫。step 0冇啦，因為我哋今年已經 fully de 啦。咁所以我哋 step 1開始。step 1係 cancel 個 cost。咁啊 cost 咧就係3萬蚊嘅啫。咁就係 credit equipment。我就咁寫 E 啊，跟住 debit disposal。咁啊，注意啦！如果係一條長嘅題目嘅話咧，因為呢一題你係可以唔寫 disposal 嘅，最後你發現。咁但係啦，如果係一條長嘅題目，你一定要寫 disposal 嘅話咧，咁記得一定要 hyphen equipment 係啦，要寫翻個全名，冇就咁寫 disposal， 提一提醒嘅啫。咁個 cost 係3萬蚊 ，cancel 個 cost。好，跟住啦 ，step 2。就係 cancel 個 AD， 係啦，咁 A.D 係 contract asset 係 credit balance，咁我 debit 佢就 cancel 佢啦。A.D 後邊都係要寫翻 equipment 呢個字，抄翻 trial balance 嗰個名得㗎啦。咁 A.D 係幾多啊？因為佢 fully D 咁，我哋啱啱咧都睇咗呢度啦，就係3萬蚊。係啦，啱啦。咁所以咧，佢嗰日抌嗰日嘅 net book value 咧 suppose 係0嘅，啱㗎啦。好，跟住啦 ，step 3就係收錢啦。咁今次嘅收錢就用 trade in 嚟到去收啦。咁我哋 trade in 嘅話咧，我哋要買埋個新 asset 嘅，記得係啦。咁啊 trade in 買新 asset equipment。咁新嘅 asset 咧有部分係 trade in value， 有部分係要自己俾。OK 係啦，我唔知個 cost 係幾多啊。咁但係你知道個 trade in value 係5000蚊。佢哋呢個舊換新令到我慳咗5000蚊，慳完之後我哋仲需要俾45000蚊。好，咁即係啦，原價係5萬蚊。OK 係啦，個 equipment 原價係5萬蚊，咁所以我 debit 個 equipment 5萬蚊。跟住啦 ，step 4就係 gain 或者 loss 嘅啫。咁你可以巴個 disposal 啦，或者咧好簡單咁樣諗，就係 net book value 係幾多，跟住 step 3係幾多，咁就係 net book value 係0啦 ，fully D 嘅嘛。step 3嘅 trade in value 係5000蚊，佢值5000蚊喎，係啦，佢 net book value 係0都好賺下，咁所以係 gain 嚟嘅。gain 嘅話咧係 credit， gain on disposal， 跟住 debit disposal。係啦，如果你唔信嘅話咧，你應該會發現個 disposal 會巴咗嘅。好啦，咁如果咧你唔想寫咁多喎，係你想好似個 marking 咁勁喎咁樣嘅話咧，咁你咪 delete 晒啲 disposal 咯，即係你查咗佢，跟住 combine 晒呢啲剩低嗰啲，即係呢啲黃色先係啦，你 combine 晒呢一紮嘢。係啦，咁就係嗰個答案嘅啦。咁但係咧，你都係啦，要注意啦，抄翻啲 income statement item 出嚟。gain on disposal 係 retained profit 嚟嘅，因為佢係一個 income。咁就係 marking 嗰抽嘢嚟啦。咁但係啦，你要注意啦，就係咧，我哋需要去計翻 year end depre， 因為你冇入呢一個咧新呢一個 equipment 啊。你冇入5萬蚊呢一個 equipment 咧，即係呢5萬蚊係冇做到個 depre 啦，咁所以你要做翻5萬蚊嘅 depre 啦。咁啊20% on cost 啦，咁所以乘0.2。咁啊，乘翻個月份喎要係啦，因為咧佢係4月1號買嘅，咁你數翻啦，4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12，即係9個月啦。乘9/12。咁所以咧 year end depre 嘅 adjustment 咧。就係計咗之後就係7500蚊。咁啊 depre 咁啊好普通嘅 depre 嘅 double entry 嘅啫 ，debit depre 啦，跟住 credit AD 啦。嗱都係啦 ，depre 嘅話咧要轉翻做 retained profit， 就咁樣啦 ，disposal。好，跟住下邊嗰兩個咧都好普通嘅啫，都係啲 income 嘅 knowledge 嚟嘅。咁就係 issue 咗5% 嘅 debenture， 但係冇入到啦，咁你咪入翻咯。咁就我哋收錢啦，我哋 issue debenture 係收錢嘅5% debenture， 跟住就 credit sorry 收錢。收錢 debit bank。跟住 credit 5% debenture， 太簡單啦呢一個。好，跟住啦，下邊最後啦 ，Board of Directors resolve to increase 個 general reserve， 咁記得啦，要注意呢啲 preposition 啊 ，increase to 啊247000，咁佢本身係幾多啊 ？general reserve 係125000，本身係125，咁啊變咗247。咁即係咧，需要加12200嘅，加佢嘅。general reserve 係 credit balance 啦，佢係一個 equity 嘅 item 嚟嘅，咁所以 credit， 咁所以你要加佢嘅話咧就係 credit general reserve。 係啦，咁佢係一個 increase in general reserve 嚟嘅，咁我哋平時咧就會 debit 個 appropriation 啦，咁但係啦，佢已經有 retained profit，咁所以我哋都係入落 retained profit 嗰度嘅122,000。好，就係咁樣啦 ，B part。好，跟住啦 C part 咧，咁就要計個新嘅 working capital 啊。咁 working capital 即係 current asset 減 current liability 啊，即係嗰個 net current asset 咁解。係啦，咁你咧好簡單嘅啫，咁就係抄翻呢啲出嚟先，佢舊嗰啲。嗱，咁佢舊嗰啲咧 trial balance 嗰啲咧，咁有啲咩 CLCA 咧？咁啊 CL 有一個啦 trade payable， 跟住 bank， 跟住咧 trade receivable inventory。係啦，咁就係咁多嘅啫。咁但係你要注意嘅咧，就係 trade receivable 咧，佢要減翻嗰個 allowance for doubtful account 嘅。好，咁我哋咧就睇埋 adjustment， 因為呢啲係本身未 adjust 嗰啲數啦，咁你就 adjust 翻佢啦。咁我哋咧睇下我哋即係喺 B part 做咗嗰啲 double entry 有冇啲咩 adjustment 就得㗎啦。同埋呢個 inventory 嘅 adjustment 啦 ，debit 佢嘅，咁所以 inventory 你要加翻9200。然之後就係、然之後 TR 啦，你都要 adjust 翻啦 ，TR 減翻17,000 ，TR 減17,000。好，跟住啦，呢個 insurance compensation receivable 唔好唔記得佢，佢係一個 current asset 嚟嘅。記得加翻佢啦 ，insurance compensation receivable， 加翻佢記得。好，跟住AFDA 都要計㗎嘛，係啦，因為啱啱講你要減嗰個嘅 TR 嘅，咁所以咧 AFDA 係啦，咁就係減2910，咁啊記得呢一個你呢度減咗佢得㗎 TR。跟住仲有啲咩 current asset、current liability 咧 ？bank 啊 ，bank 都係嘅 debit 就要加翻去啦。好，睇下有冇啲漏咗啲咩先。仲有一個 bank 啊，呢度係 bank 45000 credit 減嘅。應該係咁樣啦。咁你將啲 update 咗嘅數字咧，咁就用 statement format 去到計翻，即係其實係 statement of financial position 中間嗰一 part 嘅啫。咁你寫翻出嚟咧，就係 C part 嘅答案㗎啦。